This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
So yung resolution natin that we passed requesting the Honorable President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., the Department of Transportation headed by Secretary Vince Dizon, and other concerned agencies or departments of the national government that we're requesting that they consider constructing a airport in the municipality of Pagudpud. So in the recent session, just yesterday, I moved that my resolution be tackled on second reading on yesterday's session. But unfortunately, it was not voted upon by the members, but was referred to the committee level. Anyway, the resolution is already there, the idea is already there. So hopefully, this resolution will be given attention by the national government. And as I have stated, it is the last 3 years of the president. So hopefully, this is one of the projects that they can consider, review, study together or in coordination with the provincial government of Ilocos Norte.
Sir, paano po natin napag-isipan na magkaroon po ng ganong klaseng idea, sir?
So, I have been visiting, traveling all around the Philippines. So, one of the, of course, I've been, I'm from Ilocos Norte. I've been staying for 36 years. I've been going to Pagudpud and everything. So, ang kulang natin dun talaga, investors, yung accessibility, nakikita natin. And isa rin yun, dami rin tayong nakausap nung nandun tayo. Mga kakilala natin, mga politiko and everything. Na yun yung sinasabi nila na medyo kulang yung turista na pumupunta, kumukunti yung turista na pumupunta sa Pagudpud. And yung mga nakakausap din nating mga kaibigan na bakit nila prefer sa isang lugar na dito, mas maganda naman dito sa Pagudpud na di hamak. So, ang sinasabi nila palagi is nalalayuan sila. So, once paglapag nila ng Lawag International Airport, they have to rent a van. Kailangan pa nila mag-rent ng van para pumunta ng Pagudpud, pabayaran nila yung van. Doon na sila na hahassle. Compared sa, halimbawa, sa Bohol, Panglao, once you take the plane, arrived at the airport of Panglao, 5 minutes, you're at the beach already. So that's one of the problems dahil dito sa turismo natin is Pagudpud, yun isang problema natin kasi malayo yung travel. Kaya isa yun sa mga naisipan natin para mag-pass ng ganitong resolution.
So yung idea, sir, nakapag-usap na kayo kay Mayor Benemerito, sir, Sir Paul?
Yes, nung nasa Pagudpud tayo kahapon ng umaga, pati yung Sangguniang Bayan ng Pagudpud, nakausap natin sila. Actually, isa na yun daw sa nasa master plan nila according to the mayor and to the ni Apo Konsehal Rajiv Benemerito. He stated that when I attended their Sangguniang Bayan session, that it was already in their plan na i-request nila. Pero wala pa silang resolution requesting such. So actually, this is just a proactive pinagdawat tayo, pinagtulong tayo, makitinulong tayo for the progress of the municipality of Pagudpud, it being the last 3 years of the president, and we should take advantage of the time at we do not know when there will be another president from Ilocos Norte that will give priority to such projects.
So if given the chance, sir, may idea na ba kung anong barangay yung pwedeng pagtayuan ng airport?
Yes, actually. I myself, I've been checking Google Maps. Barangay Tarrag is duty, madami ang open spaces doon. And I've been talking to some political leaders in Pagudpud. They were suggesting, or even before 10 years ago pa, na sabi nila they wanted in Kaparispisan, in the Tanap Highway, along the Tanap Highway, in Baduang. So those are the some of the proposed locations of the airport.
So anong kung natin sir, basa po natin sa pleasure ng Sangguniang.
I've been talking to some of the members of the Panlalawigan, and they were saying that it was a good idea. Even the Vice Governor, after our session last Wednesday, he asked how did I come up with the idea and everything. But I said yung sinabi ko kanina, ganun din yung sinabi ko kay Vice Governor. So hopefully sa committee level, ma-study nila ng maayos, and then hopefully maipasa din ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan to. Kasi nasabi ko nga nung Wednesday, because they were asking if this matter or this measure was urgent, I told them the President is preparing the 2026 annual budget already. And once Congress has opened and they have voted their officers, their officers already, they will start deliberating on the budget. So it is, we should tackle this already so that the proper body and the President will act upon it accordingly. Everybody will be benefited if there is an airport that will be built in Pagudpud, Apo. As I've stated, Palawan has 6 airports. Cagayan has 4 or 5 airports. Isabela has 3 airports. Although some are not operating as well as other airports, Apo, but yung advantage natin sa Pagudpud is one of the best beach destinations in the Philippines. But our problem is accessibility. So this resolution is just for the consideration of the President. If they can study it, evaluate it, and makita or they can see, makikita nila na hindi okay sa Pagudpud, baka sa Bangi, okay lang ho yun, because it's just for them to consider. They can study it thoroughly, Apo. Anyway, it's just a consideration, it's just a resolution. No budget will come out of a resolution. So, yun lang naman yung resolution natin, 2-pager resolution. So,